What's going on, guys? Today we're going to look at how to automate WhatsApp using Python. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is install a module called PyWhatKit. Now you can head on over to this website, link will be in the description, and you can copy this and paste it in your terminal. Alternatively, you can just type pip install PyWhatKit and hit enter, and this will install the module. Now that PyWhatKit is installed, let's begin building our program. The first thing that we need to do is import the module. We're going to import it as kit. Next, we're going to say kit.sendWhatMessage. In these parentheses, we're going to pass in a string. And this string is going to be the receiver's number. I'm going to put in enter the receiver's number over here because I don't want to disclose this number to the whole internet. But as for you, you put in the receiver's number, then put a comma at the end. And in these parentheses, again, we're going to have the message that we want to send. For the purposes of this tutorial, I'm going to say, hi, this is Python. And we have to have a comma at the end of this. Then we're going to have the time that we want this message to be sent. And the cool thing about this method is that you can schedule messages. So you can type your message and you can have it sent later. So after this, we're going to have the hour we want our message to be sent. Now, because I'm creating a tutorial for you guys and I don't want to wait a long time until this message is sent, I'm going to set it a few minutes from now. And you have to input the time as an integer. By the way, when setting your time, use the 24-hour format. Then after this comma, we're going to have the minutes. And that's really the entire program. There isn't much to it. Now let's go ahead and run this program. And as you can see, it says in 27 seconds, WhatsApp web will open, and after 15 seconds, your message will be delivered. So now we have to play the waiting game. And as you can see, it has automatically opened WhatsApp and the message has automatically been typed out. And after 15 seconds, our message will be sent. And there you have it, the message has been sent automatically. And that's it for this one. If you enjoyed or found this video helpful in any way, shape or form, then consider leaving a like and subscribing. Turn on post notifications to be the first to know when I upload a new video. Also, if you have any constructive criticism or any questions or anything, comment them down below. And until next time, thanks for watching. Peace.